Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Today I wanted to pop on for a few moments just to share with you a set of note cards that I made last week. Now when I started making these note cards, I did so with the intention of leaving them blank, just embellishing them and decorating them, but leaving them blank so that I could later add sentiments on them to accompany whatever gift I was sending or giving to someone. But then it dawned on me that I have a friend who was recently diagnosed with breast cancer, and prayerfully the day will come very soon where she will have to send out thank you notes to those who have supported her and stood by her side as she bravely fought this disease. And so with that, I went on ahead and pulled out a stamp set that I purchased off of Amazon, and I'll drop a link to that stamp set below. And I used this Faith stamp set to add sentiments to the Notecard set. The paper pad that I used, I've just purchased it from Walmart. It was very inexpensive. I think it was around $5.99 for the whole pack. But to be honest with you, I really put the entire set of 6 note cards together using mostly scraps from it, and I just used the full sheets to make the envelopes, the coordinating envelopes. So without further ado, I'm going to just jump right in and show you what I will be sending my good friend. So this note card says Faith, and as you can see, I popped a few of those flatback rhinestones on it, add a little washi. You'll see stitching is a common theme throughout this note card set. And the colors, they don't all blend well together. The print doesn't blend well together, but I think once they come together and you add different touches and embellishments to it throughout, it kind of makes the set come together. And I wanted to make something that was a little out of the box and a little out there, a little zany and whimsy. And so I went with this theme of kind of wild, a wild theme, wild but girly. And so this one says Faith with a matching or coordinating envelope. This one says Hope. This is something that I want her to hold on to. So, and as she looks through these cards, maybe it'll inspire her to, just continue to be encouraged. And this one is a little bit more feminine as it has like the lace edging paper. And then you have the rhinestones and a little bit of stitching, polka dots, pink, white, and black. Definitely girly colors. And then it has the coordinating envelope. This one says Pray. And I actually like that the stamp looks a little jungle-ish, if you will. Just to me, maybe. But then I just popped those rhinestones on there, washi, the honeycomb with floral print on there. And then this is kind of like a denim wash or print in the back. Then it has the coordinating envelope. This one says Amen. And then I just cut out a page banner and outlined the sentiment with black. And again, I'm using the lace-like paper, little washi. This one has 5 rhinestones on it. And I left all of the note cards blank on the inside so that she could write a little note to whomever she sends it off to. All of them are popped up on pop dots or foam tape just to give it a little bit more dimension. This one says Incredible. We are praying for an incredible healing for her, and I can't wait to the day that she actually announces that she's cancer free. So, and this one has the black and white polka dot background, little stitching, Pepto-Bismol pink, yeah, and then the coordinating envelope. And this one says How Lovely. I'm sure she will truly appreciate those of us who keep her lifted in prayers and take time out just to let her know that she's being thought of and prayed for. She's not going to do this by herself, so hopefully she will be able to send out these cards and lots more when all is said and done. And then I just added a few, this is actually a stamp of the arrows going down. And then a little bit of pink and white paper. And I think I used a scallop, my scissors. They're scallop scissors for the bottom of this. And then a little stitching around there. And there's a little bird and the flower. And I'm going to leave that black and white. If she wants to color it in, she'll be more than welcome to. And then we have the coordinating envelope. And then I put together a box to add to, or to add them in so that she can keep them together. Nice and neat. And I plan to decorate them. I haven't done it yet. I need to stamp out a sentiment to put here. I made a little tag to add. I have the flatback rhinestones. Probably put together a little floral collage using these satin and paper flowers. And this is just some scrap paper. But I used a tutorial that I saw on Scrapdaworld, which is another YouTube channel that I follow daily. And she had made a similar note card box using different dimensions, and so I just took the dimensions she gave and added a few centimeters onto it to make a box to fit the size note card set I have, which are the note cards are 3x3, and the coordinating envelopes, which are a little bit bigger. And so I'm going to drop a link below to Scrapdaworld's YouTube channel. She has amazing, elegant, shabby, and her tutorials are amazing. So look for that below. If you would like to see how I made these note cards, or you just want to see a quick tutorial on the note card making process, let me know below. And I hope that this has inspired you to pull out some of your scraps and create something for someone who you know would appreciate it. Maybe you have a friend or a family member that's going through something or a hardship that they're facing, and you don't want them to struggle alone. You want to let them know that you're there, and even if you're just there for a phone call or coffee time, I hope that you can use your gift of creativity to be a blessing to someone else. So until we see each other again here on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.